Okay, we are. All right. Anyway, I live in Las Vegas, and I'm in the Hawaiian Las Vegas house. And in Hawaii, we don't have dishwashers, right? We don't use dishwashers because everybody washes their own dishes. But in Las Vegas, we all get dishwashers. Look at this beautiful dishwasher, stainless steel Frigidaire. And in Hawaii, you know us, we wash our dishes and we put them in the dishwasher. But this Hawaiian house, check it out. This Hawaiian house get mochi crunch, get macadamia nut chocolates, get mochi crunch, cuttlefish. I said cuttlefish. Look, cuttlefish. Mango, bihimoy mango, fried shoyu age, more mochi crunch, chewy. This is her stash, Hawaiian candy stash. Now, have you ever seen anything like this? Only Hawaiians.